the way to teach, to teach, because we're not teaching anything really, the way to help people to remember is by really living your life from the heart, being that example, and being that joy, and being that
light
being that what you are. That is what inspires other people and breaks the fears of other people. It's like so many women tell me, "Oh, you're 67. Well, that's incredible. We want to look like you at 67. We thought at 67 you had to be in the, and you're not, and you're alive, and you're sexy, and you're this, and you're laughing."
True.
And then, I say, "Oh," gives the person a hope.
And why shouldn't you be?
Because that's the normal state. But
exactly.
But not
why
everybody.
Why do we make ourselves sick like that?
The belief system. Well, it's just the belief system. All we're doing is changing the belief system now. That's all we're doing. We need to change the belief system. We need new paradigms, and we are part of these new paradigms. You say paradigmas. We are part of those new paradigms that are happening in the planet because we are making them.
We haven't had examples in the past.
That's why we're making
them. And your generation is not usually like you are. No. We don't have examples of your age.
Exactly.
To be the true elders with knowing their wisdom and feeling their femininity and sense of being a goddess.
Yeah.
So it's a good thing that you're a good example for us all.
Well, I am very happy, to be that example because, as I say, it's not that I come and teach, it's just that I come and show that it can be in a different way. That's all.
By example.
That's the way we are.
That's right, teach by example.
Yeah. So
Can I ask you something about when we were in your workshop for women? We did a specific, you talked about working with movement and dance and connecting our hearts to our wombs. We did a lot of that kind of thing. When we did a specific dance, I actually did it with Angelique. That dance where you move your hands back and forth.
Meditation of the heart.
And you have the music behind it. Can you explain a little bit of what that kind of dance was for, or where it came from, or the origins of it?
I think I told you that came from the disciples of Osho, Bhagwan Rajneesh. Is one of his meditations, and his musicians and the people in Pune in India. And it was a sound. It's a sound that is specifically the vibration to open the heart. So that's why it's a meditation, and it's a meditation it's a meditation in movement. It's not closed eyes. It's a meditation with the other, and it's in opening our hearts and connecting from our hearts. And remember at the beginning I insisted about the sacred geometry of the harmony of it. Did you realize that very soon at the beginning I was saying left, right, left, and very soon afterwards we were all in one thing, the four of us, but the four of us were all at the same time, everybody, and then the energy creates. It creates the energy, the harmony is created in this. We did it. So we did it.
As we got in sync with each other as women, the whole community became like one.
We became one and actually became effortless.
Yeah, so we were talking about
absolutely.
How it started off with a pushing kind of feeling, like more of the male energy.
Well, they had everyone moving.
But it turned into much more female. It became more like a natural way to be, which is more the feminine, rather than the doing of it. And we all became in sync with each other, which is kind of what you were talking about community.
Yeah.
So,
well, that was that.
And when we were doing it, we felt like we were going back in time through all different cultures and time periods. It was very familiar to us, and also we would feel the power from all of those different times, even if it wasn't the exact same movements. It was almost like samurais with the swords and moving
But it went
back
from
and
very
forth.
male then to very
To
female.
like Templars and Egyptian things, and from things from Japan and from Greece, all sorts of places. It was great.
Yeah. Well, just these are just techniques, that I pick up here and there, and different meditation, different things, and in the moments when they come and they are appropriated, it's like I feel now I carry this big, huge basket, bigger than my suitcase. You've seen my
don't think it
suitcase.
could be bigger than that.
Bigger than my suitcase is like this. And I pull, depends what's happening. I pull this tool from here, this meditation from there, this other, whatever, is happening. So.
But I felt like after this workshop, it's like something started up for me, like this motor of some change, of movement, of like flow in my life. Yeah, so many things, like just in the short, what was it, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday? We're like 3 days already. There's just like all these changes that suddenly, maybe they were ready to come out, but I was
Obviously.
holding them back.
Yes, well, that's what the
And
workshops
it
are about.
released.
I've gotten every day an email from one of the women that have been in the workshop saying, from Sedona to Virginia to Madison to everywhere, then they'll be saying the same thing. Oh, the energy is flowing now. The energy is flowing now.
It's like the change that I kept thinking about or talking about or dreaming about. I stood up and said, I'm taking it.
Yes, because we're doing it together.
There's
we're in the
support.
circle.
You
It's a support.
don't feel
It's
alone.
the circle. It's what I keep on insisting. We
Wow.
need that circle. That circle
That is
makes us so strong.
fantastic.
The circle makes us
Okay,
so
I'm starting
strong.
a circle right here.
The circle makes us strong. New moons or full moons or new moons and full moons. That's the time to come together. Drum, pray, dance,
So
go
right.
wild,
So
smell the herbs,
yeah.
You can also tap back into the circle that we already created,
Exactly.
because it still exists. The energy still exists.
That's great.
You see, because the reason we are afraid or we're sick or we're all the things that happen to us is because we are isolated. We're isolated. And, we don't have, another sister to reflect back to us. And so when we get in the circle and we can reflect and tell about our stories, we grow so much together. I mean, I wouldn't be at all where I am now if it wouldn't be my circle of sisters. I mean, my circle of sisters is called, we come together and we support each other and we tell each other everything that's happening and I tell you my dream and you help me to see my dream and I help you to see
so
yours.
brilliant.
I mean, it's so important. I mean, it's always been like that.
Why
There's
are we
the community,
robbed?
but listen, the community of women has always been like that. The tribal, that's the way of the earth. The tribal way. The women always, they menstruate together, they give birth together.
That's true. If you like,
In all communities, in the Jewish community, did you read the book The Red Tent?
no.
Oh, you have to read
Red
that. Oh,
Tent?
The Red Tent. Please read that
Okay.
book. Oh, yes.
Okay.
I'm
I'm gonna get it tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow,
Red
yes.
Tent.
The Red Tent. I have no idea who it's called, but it's it's about, the Jewish women and coming together
Thank
to
you.
bleed
I think
together.
I really need to read that.
Coming together to
Well,
bleed
eventually
together.
everyone gets on the same cycle.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Well,
Yeah,
even
yeah.
if you work with women, when you work together for many months, you
we all
begin.
go on the same.
Yeah, it's
Well,
incredible.
that-
Come in sync with each
It's
other.
Right, we all
incredible.
become insane.
So that's what happens.
Does that happen to
That's
men?
what happens now. I'm seeing the young men. I have a lot of young men around my life now. But I'm seeing the young men, they're all coming together in ceremonies.
Wow.
It's through ceremony and through the work, preparing the ceremony, that I see them coming so close with each other. Like making the altars, painting the altars, cutting the wood for the sweat lodge, whatever it is. In the work to prepare the ceremony and around the ceremonies, they're coming really in circle. Yeah, it's very beautiful to see
I
them.
guess with men,
It's
they
happening.
probably find that more, because it's more male to do things together.
Yeah.
And for women, it's a lot about just being together, being in the same space. They don't even have to be talking to each other.
Yeah.
Their bodies can even go in sync.
Yeah.
So it's interesting.
So that's what I've been doing, and I'm really glad that you're flowing.
Oh man, I'm flowing. You have no idea.
Well, that's
Also,
Thank
the
you.
drumming circle was really powerful because I got in the center of it for the healing.
yes.
And I've been in drumming circles before, but I've never actually been in the middle of one where the drumming was being done to me to help me for healing. And that was really powerful. And Angelique had her hands at my head. We had different people. We had to look you had to look into each other's eyes,
Yes.
someone at your head and someone
Yeah.
at your feet. So
And
someone
connect the
to
heart. Yeah.
So they were holding the space of the heart space.